Introduction. Welcome back to Bike Expert, your trusted source for everything on two wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated releases of the year, the 2025 Royal Enfield Classic 500. This legendary machine makes a powerful return, blending vintage charm with modern engineering. If you're a fan of timeless design and thumping performance, this is a bike you'll want to hear about. Design and styling, a modern classic. The 2025 Classic 500 retains its iconic retro silhouette, the rounded fuel tank, teardrop headlamp, and generous use of chrome are all present. But look closer, and you'll notice refinements. The body panels have tighter tolerances, paint finishes are more premium, and the detailing is more intricate than ever. The bike is now available in 5 stunning colors, each inspired by vintage military and heritage themes. New embossed logos, a redesigned seat with better cushioning, and classic wire-spoke wheels complete the visual package. Engine and performance, a bigger, better heart. Under the tank, the Classic 500 is powered by an upgraded 499 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, fuel-injected engine, now refined for better throttle response and fuel efficiency. It puts out around 28 horsepower and 41 Newton-meters of torque, which means you get that signature Royal Enfield thump with a smoother and more responsive ride. The engine is paired with a 5-speed gearbox that's been reworked for smoother shifts and better long-distance cruising comfort. Ride and handling, built for the journey. Royal Enfield has focused on making the 2025 Classic 500 not just a beautiful bike, but a joy to ride. The new dual cradle frame adds better weight distribution, resulting in improved balance and cornering. Suspension has been upgraded with 41mm front forks and twin gas-charged rear shocks, offering a plush ride over uneven roads. The Classic 500 remains ideal for city cruising and weekend getaways, soaking up bumps with ease while maintaining its vintage riding charm. Features and technology, modern touches. While the bike still carries its classic aura, it doesn't shy away from modern tech. The 2025 Classic 500 now includes dual-channel ABS, LED lighting, and a semi-digital instrument cluster with an analog speedometer and digital trip meter. A USB charging port comes standard, along with Royal Enfield's new Tripper navigation pod, perfect for those who love to explore new routes. Comfort and ergonomics, ride all day. The ergonomics have been subtly improved to enhance rider comfort. The redesigned handlebar, improved seat contour, and mid-set foot pegs ensure a relaxed upright riding position. Whether you're on a long highway ride or navigating city streets, the Classic 500 keeps fatigue at bay, living up to its reputation as a long-distance cruiser. Pricing and variants, worth the legacy. The 2025 Classic 500 comes in 3 variants, each offering a mix of visual and feature upgrades. Pricing starts at 2.60 Indian rupees lakh ex showroom, making it a premium.